Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel of Part-Time IT Investor. So today was 4th of September. So guys, as we discussed yesterday, those levels, okay, I think those levels were respected, but it was unexpected that market will crash. Okay, so yesterday we discussed that I'm expecting market to touch 25,000, around 25,000. From there, it will do the reversal around 24,300 or 400. Okay, but I think today market open around 24,980 and since then it keeps on crashing, okay, till 24,732. Okay, so I think there's a good saying, I think kahavat hai guys ki I think saying the market, okay, so buy sell on news, okay, so whenever news is out, okay, you should sell and buy on speculations. So when GST speculation was there, I think market participants started buying, and today was a profit booking. Okay, so let's go ahead and quickly check how the market will be there for tomorrow. So whether we are expecting any rally tomorrow as well. Okay, so I will quickly go ahead and jump to the chart directly, guys. I have less time today. Okay, I think instead of chart, I think let's quickly cover up which were the top loser. As you can see, guys, okay, only 30 stocks were losing. Excuse me for my voice. So, but none of them was like heavy loser. Okay. So in Nifty 50 stock, okay, top loser was Infosys and then HDFC Life. Okay. So mainly the insurance company. Okay. Insurance company, I think due to input tax credit. Okay. I think they might be in a loss, even though government has reduced the GST on life insurance policy and medical health insurance policy to zero. Okay, so I think this was not good. So ultimately, I think they will try to increase the premium. But I think government will keep a check on that part. Okay, but if you see, guys, okay, uh, on the top loser, okay, over here. So HDFC Life 2.86%, Wipro, Tata Consumer. I don't know why Tata Consumer was negative. Okay, it is a this thing. Maruti Suzuki, I think it was profit booking. Okay, then SCL Take. Okay. So I think there is no particular segment, okay, except the outlier will be HDFC Life, okay, and IT stocks, which I'm seeing in the negative zone over here, okay. So if I wanted to see positive stocks, okay, so M&M, of course, because government kept 5% GST on EV vehicles, okay. So Bajaj Finance, I think due to consumer spending will increase. Okay. Bajaj Finserv, Nestle, Grasim, ITC because government has not increased tax on cigarette and sin goods as expected, as we were not expecting that. Okay. Then SDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Okay. So these were the top performer guys today. But now let's go ahead and quickly check the chart. Okay. Here we are. So as you can see, market open around almost 24,980 and then the profit booking came. Okay. And it closed on a negative note. All right. So this was not good for market, but if you see, okay, so it almost closed at the last swing high over here, just below that. Okay. So what am I expecting? Okay. So agar, okay, let me go to chart over here. अगर कल मार्केट ओके अगर कल मार्केट 24,740 की ऊपर सस्टेन करता है ओके if it sustains over 24,740 we will see the reversal okay to as high as 24,900 level. Okay, that's the expectation because I think this can be a trap as well. That's what I'm thinking. I will tell you why. Okay, if I go to the अगर मैं वन डे के चार्ट पे जाता हूँ गैस ओके सो मैंने कल क्लियरली डिस्कस किया था गैस ओके yesterday I clearly discussed. So from here we had a buying sorry selling. Okay, so market will try to retrace at least 50% of it. Okay, and if you see, okay, here almost 740 points was a fall from the top over here. And if I see the retracement based upon the closing basis, okay, almost half of it, okay, almost half of it is recovered now. Okay, so of any positive candle, okay, above this level, which is 24,734, will change the trend, okay, towards the further 25,200. Okay, at least that's the study showing. On the lower side, okay, on the lower side, we are having a support at 24,300. Okay, this last swing low. So what I'm expecting for tomorrow's level? Okay, tomorrow's level I'm expecting, okay, market to remain above 24,600 between, and the top side 24,900. This is the range which I'm expecting tomorrow. Okay, if 24,600 is gone, okay, then next support will be 24,300. Okay, this is the strongest support level. If this also breaks, then yes, we will be in the bear zone, because VIX, okay, VIX is also very low, guys. Okay, if you see VIX, VIX is around 10.4 something. So from there, always there will be a bounce back. So sometimes I think whenever VIX rises, along with that, market also rises. Okay, if that happens, then I think we will be having a strong momentum in coming days on the in the buying side. Okay, but that will be very short-lived. So that's what I've seen based upon my experience. Okay, but as long as we are above 24,600, I think we should be good. All right. So now let's go ahead and quickly check the options data. Okay, so we are here. हम देख सकते हैं guys, काफी strong support है around 24,500. Okay, as well as on 24,600. Okay, based upon the chart. And we can see there is a I think call unwinding, okay, on 24,700. Okay, and we are market is in tussle at 24,750. So market, if 24,750 is broken, there will be short covering. Okay, and next short covering I'm expecting till 24,900. Okay, so this range, okay, remains true. So if you see this range, which is 24,500, okay, so 24,500 to 24,900. Okay. If you are imagining like today, if I deployed my strategy for the pullback, so no guys, as expected and discussed yesterday, market already opened gapped up around 25K. Okay. If it would have been flat and then pulled down a bit, okay, then we would have deployed a strategy. So today there was a no specific trade apart from adjusting my test strategy with respect to Nifty Bs and portfolio hedging. Okay, so that didn't went well, guys. Okay, I think I messed up. I need to do some readjustment into the strategy. So I will not share that strategy till I perfect it. So guys, I think let's not discuss on that. I will share it once it's ready. Okay. All right. So this we are done. Now let's go ahead and quickly check the FI data. Yes, the cash. So we can see today I think FI didn't sold much. Okay, that's a good thing. And DIs continue to buy in our market. If you see the future they are saying bearish. Okay. If you see the options, okay, we are seeing bearish over here. Okay. So I think what I'm expecting guys based upon this, I think tomorrow we might do the gap down opening. Okay. Maybe 24,700 or 24,600. Okay. But that should lead to the recovery. So I think thumb rule will be first 15 minutes candle. Okay, whatever it will be very large yesterday. Tomorrow, I think that's my expectation. And once the upper edge, okay, or upper week of the first 15 minute candle is broken, we will see the short covering. At least that's my expectation. Okay, and accordingly I will try to create a plan for that. Okay, so the same plan I think for the short triangle, I think, but this time I will put upper week and lower week as the exit strategy. Okay, let's see how things will go tomorrow then. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly check what are the global cues. You can see Gift Nifty is showing bit negative over here. Okay, USD INR is still above 88 and that is still concerning for me, but it's very weird situation over here because we have higher USD INR, but still IT stocks are not rallying. Okay, this is not good. So gold is coming down. That is a good news. ICI Bank ADR is neutral. Crude is again coming down, good for Indian economy. Then HDFC Bank ADR is a bit negative. You see, guys, Infosys ADR is again negative. Okay, so I think it might be, and I think stock accumulation will be in progress. I think I will check this IT sector stock. Anyway, I have booked profit in TCS in sync trading for the 5%. Okay, you can go ahead and check my older videos. Then dollar index, I think about I think below 100 we are good. Okay. Then Bitcoin is also negative. Okay. Hmm. All right. So I think overall there are mixed cues, guys, but I think for the weekly level, I will say 24,300 will be a strong support level for us. Okay. Right then. Okay. I think that's it from my side, guys, for today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay. So this is our channel, Part Time IT Investor. Right. So see you tomorrow in the morning. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye.